welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get this look. And because I only have 5 minutes, I'm really sorry, but we're just gonna get started now. Okay, so first I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. But all I do is I basically outline my eyebrows. Anyways, going to answer James's questions. My journey started when I was 13 and a half years old, so I was in 8th grade. And I got into makeup because I started watching beauty gurus on YouTube. I'm currently 20, about to be 21. Now I'm just going to brush out the product so it does not look as harsh. I'm going to use an e.l.f. eyelid primer. I'm just gonna apply it to my eye and blend it out. And what I think I could do for the beauty community, honestly, I'm not that great at makeup, but I use tricks here and there, which is what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Buck. We're just putting it on our crease. And we're taking the shade Half Baked. I'm gonna put that on the lid. I like to add the shade Smog right here and also apply that to my crease. I'm taking like this marker liquid eyeliner now. So we're gonna start off at half of my eyelid and then just bring it out. Now that we're done with the wing, we're going to take off the tape. Make sure it does not pull your skin. Next, I'm going to apply the false lashes. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispy. We'll be using the Ardell Duo Glue. I can do it without tweezers, but I'm the worst at doing this. So now it's dried a little bit. I'm going to curl my eyelashes again. And then I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just apply that underneath my eyes and on any blemishes that I may have. And blending it out with this sponge. I've been doing YouTube for years now, just because I genuinely really like producing videos. Okay, so now we're going to take some MAC powder and just apply it to my face. This is so weird doing only half of my face. To cover up more of the blemishes that are showing, I'm using this MAC concealer. Then I'm taking my powder again and I'm going to set wherever I put concealer. I'll take some Tarte Blush in Blissful and I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. We're going to take this Essence highlighter and apply it just where you would apply highlighter on your cheekbones. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner. I'm going to tightline it and I waterline. My favorite lipstick ever is the MAC Velvet Teddy, so I'm going to apply that to my lips. I'm going to be setting it with the NYX setting spray. Now we're going to get on to the fun one. So to start off, I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So I'm just going to be drawing horizontal and vertical lines, which may sound crazy to you, but not to me. This looks insane. And we're going to blend it out with the sponge. I've been on YouTube for 8 years, and it's just, I really like making videos, especially on my free time. Now, just to make it more easier, I'm going to actually split my face with this. It's a NYX eyeliner in black. We're just gonna stick with it because I'm not perfect. Now I'm gonna take the NYX Primal Color in Hot Yellow. So we're gonna apply the yellow on top of my eyelid and then bring it down below. And then we're gonna blend it to make it look more like a circle. Now we have the yellow on my eyelid. I'm taking another NYX Primal Color, but this one's in Hot Orange. And I'm just going to blend that around the yellow, making a bigger circle. If you guys never played Zelda, this look is the Majora's Mask. You guys can go look it up yourself because I don't want to be copyrighted by a picture. This side looks so glam and it's like, ooh. We're gonna start with my eyebrow and just outline the circle. And now we're gonna draw a triangle here and a triangle up here. We're gonna fill those in with some orange. I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean and basically just draw like a huge circle, a little point, bring it over like this, and then down. Oh my gosh, I think it actually came out, oh my gosh. We're gonna draw another like small pointed part right here and bring it out. So I'm taking this NYX eyeshadow in Wild Orchid and it's a hot pink shade. I'm gonna put it on the top part of this outer circle. I'm gonna take this NYX red eyeshadow in Bassy Rebel and I'm gonna put that all right here. Now I'm gonna take this NYX blue eyeshadow in Dare. I'm going to apply it to this outer triangle right here. For the rest that's still white, we're gonna put some purple eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Epic. Now we're taking this NYX white eyeliner, and I'm gonna draw this one design here. We're gonna outline this small point right here. For the last part of this eyeliner, we're gonna do a little half point right here. I'm going to be taking a dark red lipstick on this side of my lips. Then I'm going to take the black NYX Jumbo Pencil again, draw a dot in between these two lines, a dot above my lip, a dot on my lips, and a dot below my lips. So I'm taking the green NYX Roll-On Shimmer, and I'm using this kind of as eyeliner. And I'm going to be applying an eyelash on this side. Okay, while I was applying my eyelashes, the battery on my camera ran out. Okay, now I'm curling my eyelashes. I feel like I'm wearing a luchador mask. Okay, I'm going to set the makeup again because I have 3 yellow cones, which I'm going to apply because So I'm gonna apply one right here and then two over here. We're gonna take some eyelash glue and I'm going to apply it here. I'm gluing stuff to my face, James. If you don't pick me, I'm gonna be so disappointed. I'm gonna apply it like this. I don't even know. Well, now you can even see that. Okay, so that is my look. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for this opportunity, James. If you guys want to see me in the competition, don't forget to comment down below. Bye, everyone.